Hello, this is Mark and I'm reporting for Charlie and Friends, and I'm in Manchester at Depot Mayfield. It's a wonderful park in the heart of the city and we recommend that you come and have a visit.
And if you're not sure where that is, it's right next to Piccadilly railway station, and in actual fact it's an old railway station called Mayfield Station, which used to be an overflow station for Manchester Piccadilly, and there are still some platforms along here. So Freight Island is down the bottom of here, and next to that is this magnificent Mayfield Park, and it's open every day from 5 in the morning until currently 2100 hours in the evening. And Mayfield Station is currently hosting a Banksy exhibition, and I believe it's around £20 to get in. So we just walked past Freight Island and we're about to head into Mayfield Park. So let's have a wander round, and of course we'll see our mate Mark again in just a moment. And the river Medlock runs through this park. This 6.5 acre park was the first new public park opened in Manchester for over 100 years, and it was completed in 2022. The River Medlock has been brought back to life. It was actually covered up, and there were lots of Victorian factories and mills here, and they've used some of those materials in building the bridges and inspiring the playground, which we'll see in a moment. And here's Mark again from Mark's House and Garden UK, and he was telling me about all the different plants. Now here there are 120,000 different plants and 142 mature trees. This is a biodiverse green space in the heart of the city. Even though there is building work going on nearby, you wouldn't actually think on a quiet day that you're actually still right in the heart of the city centre of Manchester. And I do think this is a magnificent park. And if you fancy an ice cream here, there is an ice cream van and a coffee shop as well. There's nothing better for you than going for a walk if you're trying to get fit and perhaps lose weight, or just good for mental well-being. And what I like about this park is there are lots of places to stop and have a sit and have a look around and perhaps reflect on life. And this park is a non-smoking park, so you can't actually smoke here, which I think is quite a good thing. It is dog friendly though, so bring the dogs, and plenty of shaded areas as well. And there's the ice cream van and the River Medlock again. There's some birds there with little chicks. And the building work you can see in the distance is actually the construction of 900 apartments, which are going to look over the park. And in actual fact, the park is going to be extended. The extension here to the park to 10 acres is part of a wider project, which is going to connect all the parks around Manchester with lots more cycling and walking routes. The children's play area has 6 slides and plenty of nods to Manchester's industrial past.
Depot Mayfield is completely free and it's easily accessible from Piccadilly train station. And if you have mobility issues, all the paths are very friendly. The brilliant thing about these green spaces in the heart of the city is that they are fantastic for wildlife. And just down here, in what was a really polluted river, we now have trout swimming freely.
And there are actually some fish down there, which I'm not sure if you can make them out. And Mark did see a big trout swim by. And that's almost it from Mayfield Park in Manchester. Have you been? What did you make of it? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And please do comment below if of course you want to. So from a sunny Manchester, from myself and Mark, my mate, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.